Everyone says I love you, but what if I tell you love can be felt without saying those three words? In this video, I am going to tell you other ways to say I love you. Let's get started. I'm in love with you. You mean everything to me. My heart is yours. I adore you. You're my forever. I'm crazy about you. You complete me. I can't imagine life without you. I care about you so much. You matter to me. I'm really fond of you. I'm attached to you. You're special to me. I like you more than words can say. I care about you so much. You matter to me. I'm really fond of you. I'm attached to you. You're special to me. I like you more than words can say. You have my whole heart. My love for you runs deep. I feel safe with you. You're my home. I choose you always. My heart feels at peace with you. I'm into you. I've got feelings for you. I'm totally yours. You've got my heart. I'm all in. I've got your back. I'm always here for you. You can count on me. I'll stand by you. I'll never leave your side. You are my sunshine. You're the best thing that ever happened to me. My heart smiles because of you. Loving you feels natural. You're the reason my world feels brighter. I enjoy being with you. I feel connected to you. I like the way I feel with you. You make me happy. I would love to end this video by telling you that because real love doesn't need three words, it needs truth. See you in next video.